Welcome nerds to another edition of Nerd Candy. I'm John Bowie. Today's review is going to be If I Stay.
What am I supposed to do?
Sometimes you make choices in life, and sometimes choices make you.
If you haven't seen it, this is going to be a total spoiler alert. So maybe pause the video and watch it after you've seen it. The main character is played by Chloe Grace Moretz. I think she's a very good up-and-coming actress. And she plays a young girl who learns the cello at a very young age, and she becomes basically like a master, just needs the confidence first. And she has this traumatic experience where she goes into a coma and her whole family basically dies. And now she's having an out-of-body experience and kind of going through the past to figure out what she should do, if she should stay on Earth and live, or if she should die and go to heaven. For me, this is a really tough choice. What do? Do you go up to heaven and be with your family? Do you stay on Earth and be with your high school sweetheart who could be your family one day, but really he's just your boyfriend? What do you do? One of my favorite scenes is actually the most emotional scene because whoever it is, the guy playing the grandpa, did it beautifully. He had one scene where he pretty much said the whole movie with one line and told his granddaughter that if she were to die, he'd be okay with it because he understands how her family's dead and she has nothing here. It's really heartbreaking. Really good scene, and it kind of made the movie for me. If I had to do anything, I would say that this movie is basically Ghost for young people. I mean, there's not really much to it. I felt the camera work and everything else, the pacing of the film was all very generic, very simplistic. Chloe Grace, her acting was outstanding in my honest opinion. She's a really big up-and-comer. I gotta give this movie probably, I don't know, maybe like 6.5 spirits out of 10. It's not all that great, but my honest opinion is that movies are subjective. Go see it for yourself and make your own opinion. I would say it is worth the $11 to $12 that you pay at the theaters. As always guys, subscribe, leave comments down below. Have a good one.